Scaffolding is a temporary supportive structure that teachers create to help a student or a group of students to accomplish a task that they could not complete alone. Providing support only when students need it is part of a process of shifting responsibility for learning from the teacher to the students. Some of the instructional tools that can be used to help scaffold include graphic organizers, prompts, cooperative learning, read aloud methods, additional explanation, modeling, guidance, and feedback. Use pages 625 through 627 in the sourcebook to complete the second column of the chart on page 5-5 of the PRG. Then think of ways you could use each type of scaffolding in your classroom and write those in the third column. Some of the variables that affect reading comprehension include the proportion of words recognized instantaneously, speed and accuracy of decoding, metacognition and purpose for reading, motivation and engagement for reading, and vocabulary. Notice that the speed and accuracy of decoding is dependent upon the foundational skills of phonics, phonemic awareness, and letter knowledge. Improving literacy in the content areas. Number 1, provide strategy instruction throughout the school day. Number 2, include open, sustained discussion of content. Number 3, have high standards for text, conversation, questions, and vocabulary. Number 4, build motivation for and engagement with reading. And number 5, teach essential content knowledge. Providing students with considerate texts will greatly increase their reading comprehension, especially if students are taught typical text structures. Structural clues in text include introductions, summaries, glossaries, graphic features such as titles, headings, charts, lists, and icons. Considerate texts are coherent. They provide explicit main ideas. They contain little non-supporting information. They are presented in logical order. They include signal words and precise terms. Lastly, considerate texts are audience appropriate. The concepts build on student knowledge, and the number of concepts introduced is appropriate to a target audience. Similar to literary texts, informational texts have a clear set of strategies that help with student comprehension. They are recognizing informational text structures, asking questions, answering questions, monitoring comprehension, connecting to word knowledge, predicting, constructing mental images, and summarizing. Finally, there is a separate set of comprehension strategies to be used with web-based texts. They can be found on pages 696 and 697 of the source book.